Company is as good as the people it keeps. My client company name was Indian School of Business. CTC was 2 LPA. Myself, Shaikh Ameer Basha. I basically belongs to Andhra Pradesh, Guntur district. I have completed my graduation in 2018 from GITAM University in BA Political Science. If you want to keep their life future is MNC and settle their life happily, then Evision. Evision is a great platform for job seekers and freshers. I joined a Evision course, online job internship program for duration of 45 days. There is a great in learning process. They are the best. I want to suggest to everyone to join the Evision. Thanks to all my Evision team members, HR members, and placement team members. Thank you for all. Thank you, Evision.